Okay, so today we have lesson number 20 and it is about exercise Tashdeed. Okay, so this is the same sign which we have learned in the previous lesson. We just need to do more practice for that sign. So that's why we have another lesson for that. So first of all, tell me, can you please tell me what is the name of this sign?
Rashid,
Tashdeed, or we can also call it Shad. Okay, and how the Shad looks like?
I know it's like
The Shad looks like a tiny,
scene.
no, tiny W.
Um,
Okay, how the Shad looks like?
Tiny W.
Yes, very good. And what we do whenever any letter has Shad sign,
We say it again.
what we do, how we will read whenever any letter has Shad.
Like you add something at the end of it.
No, see, whenever any letter has Shad, so we read that letter twice. That same I told you last time as well. What we do?
Read it again.
Yes, we read it double, two times. Okay, first we read that letter with sukun, means we connect that with the previous letter, and then we read that letter with itself, with that second sign appear on that letter. Okay,
Okay.
now we read A'udhu Billah and Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, read this word. It's not kaf. What is the second letter name is?
I don't know.
It's lam.
Oh, Al
Hmm. Yes,
Al
al and then lam. We need to read lam again because lam has shad. Okay. After the lam, that is the alif, and the alif doesn't have any sign. So what we do, we skip alif. We don't read. We just read alif with fatha. So it will be al la.
Allah.
Yes. Now, but we stretch lam for 2 seconds. Do you know why?
No.
Because lam has alif madda. Now this alif, which coming after lam, that is alif madda. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I think you forgot the definition of alif madda as well. So let me repeat that whenever alif has no sign and the previous letter has fatha, so we will call this is alif madda. Okay,
Mm.
and then and then we stretch for 2 seconds. So then it will be Allah.
Allah.
Next.
Bala.
Very good. Next.
Mina.
Excellent. But remember, yesterday I also told you that whenever noon or meme has shad sign on it, so then we do gunna. Okay, and means that we hide our voice in our nose. So it will be minna.
Minna. Anna.
Stretch for 2 seconds. The noon has standing fatha on it, so we have to stretch. Okay, this word and the previous word noon. Both we have to stretch same for 2 seconds because the previous noon has had alif madda and this noon has standing fatha on it. So that's why we have to stretch for 2 seconds. Anna.
Anna. Ini.
Yes,
Na.
very good. Again, ni in ni
Ini.
lashatta.
Lashatna.
Very good. Okay, now Bashir, tell me the steps of the wuzu from the beginning.
You say, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, right? And then you do your hands 3 times. Yeah, mouth 3 times.
No, first of all, we recite one dua as well.